You can create presentation-worthy reports that combine multiple reports in the same document using management reports. To access management reports, open the Report Center and then click Management Reports. QuickBooks comes equipped with 3 different management reports. Let's take a look at the Company Overview Report. Management reports include a cover page that detail when the reports were prepared, and scrolling down, they also include a table of contents displaying which reports are shown on which pages. Scrolling down further, here is the first report, which is a profit and loss, and it also displays the date range for the report. Scrolling down further, we can see the other report included in this report, which is the balance sheet. And there can also be a final page at the very end with any notes. From here you can print the report, but you can see more options for the report by closing the report and then clicking the Actions drop-down arrow. From here you can export as a PDF or a docx, copy and also email by using Send. You can even edit these management reports by clicking Edit. And from here you can change the cover style, alter any of these options, and also include your company's logo. On the left-hand side, you can also access the table of contents information, as well as the preliminary pages if you have any notes that you want to add onto the management report. And scrolling down, here you can choose your report options. You'll see all of the default reports included on the management report here, but you can alter them by clicking on the pencil button to the right, or you can also add new reports with this link. Finally, you can add endnotes to the management report and save any of your changes down here at the bottom. Use management reports to combine reports together in a presentation-worthy package.